entertaining, informative. It's all about sports. It's game time on Core TV.
It's game time.
It's game time.
It's game time.
Game time on Core TV. Yay!
This week on Game Time, kilalanin ang anak ng isang alamat sa larong basketball, the son of Romy Mamaril. Billy is our game idol. At ilang trivia questions sasagutin. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang Game Time Top 10 plays sa larong sepak takraw. All these and more this week on Game Time.
Game Idol.
Hi, this is Billy Mamaril and this is your Game Idol.
Game Idol.
John Billy Mamaril is a professional basketball player currently playing for Barangay Ginebra, who plays forward and center positions. He's a shot block artist and a good low post operator. Nung siya naglalaro pa sa kopo ng Pure Foods TJ Hot Dogs, Shell Turbochargers at Coca-Cola Tigers, he contributed solid numbers and quality minutes. On June 11, 2010, he was traded to the Air 21 Express, but then returned to Barangay Ginebra for a future draft pick. Nang tinanong natin kung sino ang kanyang hinahangaang basketball player, mabilis siyang sumagot.
Siguro favorite basketball player ko siguro si Romulo Mamaril.
Tulad ng kanyang ama na dati ring Ginebra player na si Romulo Mama Mamaril, he is known for his physical and rugged defense and with great shooting touch.
Aside from your dad, sino pa yung favorite na player niyo po sa ngayong henerasyon mo?
Sa PBA or sa PBA siguro ngayon, I had to go with Eric Menk and Mark Agiwa, so my teammates. So I'm glad to be to play with them every day.
Sa NBA naman po, sino?
Currently sa NBA siguro has to be LeBron James. Yeah, di ako mga Kobe fan.
Kumusta naman kaya ang paghahanda ng Barangay Ginebra ngayong conference na ito?
Sa tingin mo magsi-champion yung Ginebra ngayong taon? Ngayong conference or in the next conference?
Yeah, the last conference, nag-semis kami, so nag-adjust kami ngayon. So may malaki yung chances na mag-champion kami.
Okay. Si Mama, Miss Romy Marie, idol ko rin yan. Idol din ng kuya ko yun nun. Nag-champion siya ng maraming beses din doon. Naglaro din sa Ginebra under Robert Jaworski. Ano ba yung mga na-achieve ng daddy nyo na gusto mong ma-achieve?
Well, I mean, nag-champion siya, nakapag-champion din ako. Siguro yung admiration ng mga fans kasi yung Ginebra ng 80s, iba yung tanggap ng mga tao sa kanila compared to now. So hopefully I can achieve that popularity and yung recognition ng mga tao.
Yung papa mo ba, siya nag-inspire sa'yo para maglaro rin sa basketball?
Well, siguro may part siya doon, pero hilig ko lang talaga maglaro eh. As well as every Filipino basically in the Philippines and around the world, they just love playing basketball.
Sa Amerika na nagbinata si Billy at doon siya unang sumabak sa laro. Nabanggit pa niya na dati na silang magkaibigan ni Mark Agiwa.
College basketball, saan kayo naglaro nun?
Nung college basketball ko, naglaro ako sa California, sa States. Actually, it's nakakatawa nga kasi magkalaban kami ni Kagiwa dati nung college sa States. So, may game kami dati kasi kila Mark yun. At yung team ko, lahat negro, ako lang yung hindi negro. Si Mark naman, siya lang yung Filipino doon sa team niya. Kaya parang being two Filipinos, nakausap kami and then we became friends. Tapos, eventually, naging teammates kami dito.
So long before magkakilala na kayo, in-expect mo ba na magkakasama kayo sa PBA?
Yeah. In-expect ko yun kasi nung pumunta siya, nauna siya sa akin, tinawagan ko siya at sabi ko, pwede ba maki-practice? And sabi niya, nag-practice kami sa Ginebra and then after 1 year, nagpa-draft na ako.
Ilang taon ka na sa PBA?
I entered the PBA when I was 22. Now I'm 30, so 7 years na.
What other things would you like to achieve as a basketball player?
Well, right now, so far with my career, I'm pretty happy, but of course, there's always achievements that you have to accomplish. So just keep winning championship. That's it. Thank you.
Barangay Ginebra Kings center forward, the Big Mama, Billy Mamaril, our game idol. Sino ang pinsan ni Presidente Noynoy Aquino na nanalo ng gold medal sa Asian Games?
Hi, this is Billy Mamaril. It's game time on Core TV.
Hey, 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 hey,